If you want to cancel your Spotify subscription, follow these simple steps to ensure the process goes smoothly. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you are using the account that has the subscription you want to cancel. Step 2. Go to Account Settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can usually find this option by clicking on your profile picture or username in the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select your subscription. In the Account Settings menu, look for the Your Plan or Subscription section. Click on it to view the details of your current subscription plan. Step 4. Click on Cancel Subscription. Within the subscription details, you will see an option to cancel your subscription. Click on this option and follow any prompts or confirmations that appear. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. After clicking to cancel, you may need to confirm your decision. Follow the on-screen instructions to finalize the cancellation process. You should receive a confirmation email once your subscription has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can easily cancel your Spotify subscription. If you have any further questions or need assistance, consider reaching out to Spotify's customer support.